Biodiversity. Biodiversity is all different kinds of life where the variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria you will find in one area that make up our natural world. However, biodiversity is under threat from the number of factors, and agriculture is one. Agriculture has been identified 3 to 86% species at risk of extinction. In this video, we discuss the causes, implications, and recommendations we believe will help to sustain the biodiversity. Our global food system is the primary driver of biodiversity loss. In the last decades, our food systems have been following the cheaper food paradigm that leads to a vicious circle. The lower the cost of food production, the higher demand for food produced through intensification. Current food systems depends heavily on the use of inputs such as fertilizer, pesticides, land, water, energy, and through unsustainable practices such as monocropping and heavy tilling. This has reduced the variety of the landscapes and habitats, threatening the breeding, feeding, or nesting of birds, mammals, microbial organisms, insects, and crowding out many native plants.
Waste management. Have you guys ever wondered what exactly waste means? So, waste can be defined as any unwanted or undesired material left over after completing a particular process. It can be categorized into 4 different types, which is first, solid, second is large, which is something between solid and liquid, third is liquid, and fourth is gases. So, how we dispose all of this waste? So, one of the ways is we burn the waste. Second, waste can also be buried, which is the organic waste, and third, we can recycle it. Oh, what will happen if waste is not disposed correctly? Obviously, it will give a negative effect on the environment. It will also cause disease, and it will kill aquatic life.
Next, we will discuss about habitat destruction. Do you know that habitat destruction greatly affect biodiversity loss in the world? How do agriculture industry can cause habitat destruction? The development on agriculture industry due to human keep increasing year by year, making many more trees are being cut down as a source of human life. Those actions actually can lead to the loss of the biodiversity because some habitat are being destroyed or many animals are keep moving from their habitat.
Last but not least, it is air pollution. Did you know that agriculture industry emits a large amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere? For example, carbon dioxide from the agriculture machinery, nitrous oxide from the nitrogen-based fertilizer, and ammonia from the animals' manure. How does that bring effect to the biodiversity life? With 3 of the main greenhouse gases combined, the effect of trapped heat will increase, causing global warming and thus leading to climate change. Climate change can bring a lot of effects like increasing the temperature, duration and severity of wildfires in several countries, rise in sea level due to the melting of ice, and causing extinction in animal species such as polar bear as they're losing their habitats.
The action that can we take to avoid this happening is first, we need to organize campaign to raise awareness. Second, the agriculture company should manage the waste they produce efficiently. Third, the new innovation towards supporting nature friendly, and lastly, we can switching fossil fuel based energy.
In conclusion, loss of biodiversity threatened can result in a mass extinction. As we know, primary causes of the biodiversity loss are improper waste management, habitat destruction, climate change, and also improper food system. Loss of biodiversity also can impact on human society as it cannot function without biodiversity's pragmatic benefits. Science can help save species and our ecosystem, but more fundamental changes are also needed. Thank you.